Get your clips ready. You're gonna need 8 clips. Make all the clips 2.5 seconds long. Go to beats and add a beat whenever you hear them in the audio. Go to clip 1 and split the clip into 6 parts. Split it according to the beat. Do this for the other clips. Go back to clip 1, go to the second part of your clip. Go to Transform Advance, then Zoom. Zoom in as much as you want. Do this for all the second parts of the clips. Go to the fourth part of your clip and zoom in. Then go to Adjust, then Saturation. Make the saturation -25 and do this for all the fourth part of the clips. On the fifth part of the clip, go to Adjust, then Saturation, and make saturation -30. On the sixth part, go to Adjust and make the saturation -40. Go to Transform, then Advanced and zoom in. Do this to the rest of the clips. A black overlay from the library and make it 0.0 seconds long. Put the blur in the middle of the third part of Copy the overlay and put it on each beat. Go to Effects, then Video Effects Motion and choose Blur. Object, all videos. Put the blur in the middle of the third part of clip 1 till the start of clip 2. Add a keyframe at the start. Add another key at the start of the fourth part of the clip. Add another key at the start of the fifth, sixth, and end part of the clip. First keyframe on the blur should be 15. Second key on 0, third key on 15. Fourth key on 0, and fifth keyframe on 15. Duplicate the blur and add it to the end of all clips. Then go to Effects, Video Effects. Intro and outro use oblique blur. Object, all videos. Put the blur in between clip 1 and 2. Add a keyframe at the start of the oblique blur. Rotate to 100 and blur to 0. Add a key in the middle. Rotate to 100 and blur to 100 in the end. Rotate to 100 and blur to 0. Duplicate and add it in between all clips. Add your text. Use the Arial font in description. Go to animations and use type 2 and make it 1.5 seconds long. Save your edit and you're done. Bonus. Click on the little white box in between the clips and use shake. Add zoom in and pannings.